Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create custom VPC, how to create public subnet, and how to create private subnet. What is NAT gateway? What is internet gateway? And I'm going to launch two EC2 instance. One is in public subnet and other is in private subnet. So let's start the practical and understand this architecture. Now, this is after login, you will see this kind of interface. So in the search box, I'm going to type VPC. That is nothing but a virtual private cloud. So this time we are going to see our own custom network. This time we are not going to use the default one. Now can you see guys here, if I go to your VPC, then you will see there's a one default VPC. When you will not create any VPC, so there's a default VPC which work on the IP address 171.31.0/16. You will see what is this. So now I'm going to create our own VPC. Create VPC settings. There is VPC only and VPC more. So don't click VPC more guys. If you click, you will see everything will come automatically. You will not able to learn if you want to learn VPC in deep. So go with the VPC only, then you will learn from here. Now I'm going to give the VPC, that is I'm giving the name VPC Mumbai because my region is in Mumbai, so I'm giving VPC Mumbai. You can give any name, it doesn't matter. Next, IPv4, and which do you want to give the IP address of this virtual private network? I'm going to give 192.168.0.0/16. Guys, as of now, don't think much about this one. How I'm giving this IP address, just keep it only. Once I will teach you anytime this IP addressing or subnetting in future, you will understand, but just keep this only. Next important thing, just go with the no IPv6. We don't want as of here because we are working with the IPv4 default. Select the default only, don't go with the dedicated, otherwise you will get bill. And VPC encryptions, we don't want monitor mode or enforce mode, just go to with none, and that's it. Just we created a VPC. Now you have VPC guys, now your own VPC. See, just now we created, but after VPC every network wants what guys? See, it's my just now created. Okay, so once you create a VPC, what VPC want guys is very important. See, the important thing is what here? I want internet. So for that, once you create a VPC, the second part is what? Go to the internet gateway and see there's a default internet gateway for the default VPC. But this time we created our own VPC. For that, I'm going to create one internet gateway, and this time giving Mumbai gateway. You can give any name, as this is the I'm creating in Mumbai region, so I'm giving here Mumbai. That's it. Now just create the internet gateway. If you will not create internet gateway guys, you will not get internet connection. Now you see attached to VPC, so don't attach from here. Just click again here and click the Mumbai VPC, Mumbai internet gateway, and go to action. Can you see guys, attached to VPC? Which VPC you want to attach? The VPC which we created, Mumbai VPC. We're creating our own network. So now we have one virtual private cloud and one internet gateway for the internet connection. Next one, I want to divide this larger network into the smaller network for public subnet and private subnet. That's why we are going with the subnet. Subnet is nothing but dividing bigger network into smaller network. See, in the Mumbai region already we have these three subnet. So we are not dealing with this subnet. I'm going to create our own subnet. Where you want to create? The same Mumbai, just now we created. Now go, give the name. I'm giving public subnet. See, you cannot just by keeping the name public subnet, it will become subnet, public subnet. No, just for understanding, I will writing this public subnet. When it will become, when we'll assign this to the internet gateway, I will show you. Just wait. Next important, where you want to create this subnet, in which ability zone. I am giving South A1, and where you are creating, the virtual private cloud IP address. Next, I want to divide this bigger network in a smaller network for our requirements. So I'm giving 192.168.1.0/24. So keep this only, guys, when you will do the practical. Next part, just create a subnet. Public subnet done. I want one private subnet also. Go and create private subnet. Where you want to create the same and VPC Mumbai. Now give the name, just private subnet, and by writing the private, it will not become private. When it will become private, I will show you. And in which region you want to create, don't go and create in the same region, just go in the second region. Now this time, don't give the same IP address, guys, otherwise it will be overlap. 168.1.0 if I'll give, guys, it will not work. See, if I'm going to create here CIDR address overlap with the existing one, already there's a one subnet you divided into a smaller, so I'm dividing with the next one, and that's it. Now next important part, guys, we have VPC 1 VPC. We divided subnet with the private and public subnet, and we created red gateway. Now next important part, guys, I am going to create one important thing, that is NAT gateway. NAT gateway is nothing but a network address translator. And why there's a Mumbai NAT I'm giving? Why I'm going to create NAT gateway? Because it will provide, if your instance is in private subnet, so how you will get the internet? Internet will not get if you have a private subnet and private EC2 instance. So for that, there's a concept of network address translator will help you to giving the internet access. How? I will show you. Just create it first. Availability zone, regional, where you want to create this, and the same region. And always remember, your NAT is creating where? In the public. See, already is giving you disable the private one. Always remember, NAT will be in the public. Why I am giving the public, you will come to know. And there are two options, guys. Method of every NAT gateway wants one elastic IP address. Either you can go the automatic with the help of will give you by the AWS or manually. So as of now, I'm going with the automatic only, which provided by AWS will give you one IP address. Next, create a NAT gateway. NAT also done, guys. VPC created, subnet, two subnet created. Guys, you can see here, there's a default custom VPC, and we have two public, one public subnet, one private subnet associated with this, attached with this custom our VPC. Next important part is, guys, if I'm going to create here two EC2 instance, guys, but two EC2 instance will get how this public subnet get the internet. For that, there is a concept of route table. Go to the routing table, and there is a default route table. So we don't want route default. Go and create a custom. I am giving this is public route. You can give any name. Where you want to create this, where you have created your VPC. Gives a public route. Next, I want to create one more. That is, okay. Once you create a public route, you have routes, subnet associations, edge association, route propagation. So what I'm doing, edit routes, and what I'm telling here, this is the destinations of my VPC. Add route, all the traffic traverse, give the permission to the internet gateway. Which gateway? The gateway which you created. This we are giving to routing all the traffic to the internet gateway. Those who having this route will get the internet access. Next, we created what, guys? Subnet, right? Go here in the click and subnet association. Edit subnet association. Now, public subnet, click here. Whatever public subnet you created here and whatever EC2 instance you will create here will get internet access. Just save it. Okay. Now we have public subnet and public routing. Now again go to route, guys. Now this time I want to create private route. Go to the private route. Very important. Please focus when you are watching this video and the same VPC. Go and route table, the edit route. Now go to the edit route. Next, I am routing the traffic, all the traffic. All the traffic means /0 is for the all the traffic. This time I want NAT gateway. Which NAT gateway? The NAT gateway which you created. Why we are giving this? Because we have one, I'm going to create one private sub EC2 instance, and if you are having the private EC2 instance, how to get the internet? For that, there is the concept of NAT gateway, guys. NAT gateway, what it will do, I will show you. So we're done with all the settings. We created VPC, two subnet, one is in public, private, routing table, internet gateway. Done this portion. Now the second part. Go here and type EC2. Now I'm going to launch two EC2 instance. One is in public subnet and other is in private subnet. You will understand how to create our own custom. And one more thing left here. I'll show you. I'm going to create one more thing, that is security group also. Default security group we are not going to use here. Can you see, guys, in your security? Yeah. Come here, security groups. Now no more default security group. I'm going to create my own security group. Create security group. Now give Mumbai security, GRP, any name. Again, you can give any name for the security group. Very important, guys. If you will not know the security group, please watch my video. In detail, I explain. And very remember this one, always select which you created one. If you'll go with the default, you gone. Now, which rules? See, inbound rules. Already, the security group has no inbound rules. By default, inbound rules is the DENI. No inbound rules allowed, but outbound is allowed. See, all traffic is allowed here. What I'm doing here, I'm going to connect through the SSH protocol. For public subnet, I'm going to connect through the PuTTY software with the help of protocol, SSH, TCP protocol, and port number 22. So from where? From my API, and then I'm going to save the changes. Okay, and before that, what I will do, there's just change one more thing, add rule. And in add rule, guys, do the traffic, go for the all traffic, and traffic to the self. Self means what? Just now you're going to create one IP address, right? Let me create first, then you will understand. Go and create security group. Delete this one. First create. Okay. Now again go to edit rules. Now go one more time, and this time what I will do, go to all traffic, and can you see, just now I created, guys, Mumbai. I am transferring the traffic to the self. Why, you will come to know. Okay, now go here, guys, important part. Yeah, now go and create EC2 instance, launch EC2 instance. This, you know how to launch EC2 instance. Please watch my all videos where I shown you how to launch EC2 instance, how to connect to the PuTTY software. All such things I cover. I will provide the link in the description. So where I'm going to launch this EC2 instance? In the public. So I'm giving public server. This is the public server, guys. Next. Yeah, I'm going to select Amazon Linux. It's up to you based on the requirement. You can go with anyone. I'm going to select, guys, T2.micro. T2.micro with 1 CPU, 1 GB memory, enough for this practical. And key pair, I'm not going to create a new key pair, or you know how to do this, all such things. Next, very important part guys, edit. Don't go with the default. Once you will in the default, if you go, you will not get a connection, because all things we are created where in the public, in our own VPC. Click here. Now where you want to launch your EC2 instance, in the public subnet, and this public subnet guys are associated with what? With the routing table which providing the internet. That's what, then only I will get. If I go and here in the private subnet, I will not get the internet. Now if this is the public subnet and you have internet gateway, it means you are connected through the internet, so we need public IP. That's why we need to enable it. Next, don't go with the create. Already we created security group, and don't go with the default. Go with our own security group. That's it guys. Just launch it guys. Yeah, we're done with launching one EC2 instance. Let me try to connect it through the PuTTY software, and I'm going to launch one more guys. I will launch one more in the private subnet. Just go and launch one more. See, now try to launch one more. Launch EC2 instances. Now this time I'm going to launch the EC2 instance in the private. Guys, why I'm going to create a private? If you're working in companies, if you have server which is important, we are not making that is in public, will be in the private. So we are designing this architecture, private server. Again, you can give any name, it's up to you. Go now, select, I'm selecting Amazon Linux. You can go again with anyone. This, you know, this part many times I shown in my practical how to launch, but this time we are launching where? Our own custom VPC, and this time inside custom VPC we divided one subnet that is private, and keypair I'm going to select with the same one. Now edit settings, the VPC we created, that select that one. Next guys, important part, see public subnet, where you want to create this EC2 instance in the private subnet. Now guys, if it is private subnet, will you allow public IP address? Not possible guys. If you allow, it is wrong, because this is the private, so private doesn't have this connection to the internet, so this is disabled. Go to security group and just go and give your default this one custom and go and launch. That's it. Two EC2 instances will launch guys. One is in private and one is in public subnet. Now go here again. Now just refresh it and click this one, public server. If see every detail, see we have public IP address guys. Copy this public IP address. Now go to, I'm going to connect to the PuTTY. PuTTY is a software through which I'm going to connect this machine. Now just host the copy address, and next go to SSH protocol, authentication, credential. You know how this part guys. Browse the key. Where is the key? You can go with the Linux. This one. This part you already, you know guys very well. Now accept it. Now by default, if you are going to be the Linux, Amazon Linux or Red Hat, you will get by default EC2-user. See, we successfully connected this machine 192.168.1.152. Can you go and check here? 192.168.1.52. We successfully connected because this machine is in where guys? Is in the public subnet. Now guys, if it is a public subnet, we connected guys. See, we have IP address also. But can you tell me guys, if I go here, now can you see, is there any public IP address? If there is no public IP address, how you will connect this machine? That is the concept. We are not able to connect it because we don't have public IP address. And if you are connected through the internet, that is public. So how you will get a connection? That's why there is a concept of jump server. What I will do, from this server I am going to connect this machine, because both machine is in same VPC, guys. If they are in a different network, we can't do this jump server. As of now, these both are in same VPC. So what I will do, I'll go and click here, and guys, can you see connect here, and you see SSH client, guys. And in SSH client, see guys, see is asking one PAM file which already we have in our machine. If it is not, then it will be, there are many way to connect it, but I am showing you this way, guys. Just copy this and come here and do one thing. First go to the sudo -s to give the permission, and next, guys, copy that one. What I will do now, I want this PAM file. So there is a command of Linux command vi which open this file, guys. As of now, don't think of that. When I will teach you the Linux, then you will understand. Just see how I am doing. Vi, and I have this file, guys. Let me, vi means editing this file, and after editing, what you do, where this file is there. So what in my case and in my desktop, I have this file. Open this file and copy this first of all. Now again go to here, with the help of type I, go to the insert. When you will insert, just paste that one. Once you will paste, click escape, shift : write and quit exclamation and enter. Now if I go to ls command, guys, ls means to list it. If we have this file. Now next, there is one more command, guys, that is change mode command. What is this? I will show you in the Linux, guys. As of now, just remember this. I am giving the permission to read and write. That's it. Now guys, go again. We have, now again go, again copy this one, again come here. Now try to enter it. Yes. What is it? Yes. Oh, now I see 192.168.2.258 is this IP address of the second machine. Just go and see. See 192. I'll make you understand from here. This is the private IP address. We connected successfully, guys. Okay. See, this machine, the private one, doesn't have the public IP address. Now we connected this machine. See, this is the private. And guys, you can see 192.168.1.58. We successfully connected the private EC2 machine, guys. That's wonderful. But one thing, guys, can you see? I want to download some file. So, but how to get the internet? That's why we enable what? NAT gateway. What I will do, I'll try to show you one command. So there is a command sudo install. What I'm doing, install yum install. Let me see and type one tool to install whether we can install it or not. Now can you see, guys, I'm writing a command and this command is accepting, and this command is trying to installing this tool. Why? Because there is what? Internet available. See, Amazon Linux 2023. So why this happened? Because of guys, we have internet gateway, and what it will do, go here in the NAT gateway. What NAT gateway will do? NAT gateway will take your request. It will go here, guys. Once, yeah, see the private subnet routing table. So go to the route and go here, edit route. See this NAT gateway, guys. If I remove this NAT gateway from here, then you will not get an internet connection. That's why we took NAT gateway. If you want private subnet and if you want to store some get the file from the internet, then how you will get, because that is in private subnet. So for that you need to do this NAT gateway. If you remove this NAT gateway, you won't get an internet connection. So as of now, I am good with the practical. Next, okay guys, so I think I done with the practical. Very important guys. See, there's no public. IP address still be connected. The next important part. Wait, let me refresh this. This should be checked by. Yeah. Now next important part guys. Once you done the practical, just release everything. This time I'm going to show you how to terminate all such things. If you will not terminate, you will get billed. If you done the practical, just release everything to save your bill. But if you are the new to the AWS account, then no need to think much, because you already get a 200 or 100 credit dollar. So this is shutting down, and go with the second one. I shown you practical how to get custom VPC, public subnet, private subnet, NAT gateway, internet gateway. Also do the practical. If you don't understand, please comment me and subscribe to my channel so that I can come up with a new concept. Here 2-3 concepts still left guys, and that is VPC endpoint. I will show you without the internet also. I want to connect some AWS resources. How we will do that with the help of VPC endpoint, that I will show you in the next upcoming lectures. But the important part I'm telling you, just you have to terminate all the things to avoid unnecessary bill guys. Click on terminate. Once you terminate these two, now go to VPC. Come here. Go to NAT gateway guys. First go to NAT gateway. Click here, and first just delete the NAT gateway. Type delete. Once you delete it, go here. See, connection loss guys. This power is connection loss guys. Why? Because we just remove the NAT gateway, and EC2 instance we stop. Just refresh it. Now can you see the state deleting? Next, next go to subnet. Go and the subnet which you created guys, unnecessary. The subnet which is already there, don't go and delete that one. Now delete this one. Now go to private. Once done the practical, delete everything, release every resources which is not required. Delete this also. Done. Now go to the VPC. Very important part. Once done the practical, do this one. Now VPC Mumbai. Click here, action, delete. Okay, now type. Just go and type delete. The deleting also done. Now go to we have route table also guys. This is important part. If you want to learn networking in the AWS, routing is very important, because we are routing everywhere. You will see is the already it's gone, so I think so. Yeah, already it's gone once you did it NAT and then. Now go here. Go to which one remain, internet gateway. See Mumbai, and now try to first detach from the VPC. The internet gateway Mumbai cannot be detached as there are some map public IP address. Please delete the following public NAT. Okay, because of there is a still NAT is running guys. Can you see? Go here again, and still is deleting. Refresh it again. Go here. VPC gone again. So now delete it guys, you by yourself, because if I go and wait for some time, then it will be the video will be lengthy. So just see after some time, once it will the NAT gate will gone, this will also be gone. Okay. everything is done. Okay, this is also gone. Now go in here, go to VPC dashboard. See, there's one VPC as of now, default one, and NAT gateway, it will gone once there's only three subnet, default one, default out table. So I am going to end this video, guys. So please see, done. I think so. That also done. Everything done. So terminated. Go to dashboard. Always go and check the dashboard guide, guys. Refresh it. See, now no instance is running, no elastic IP. This will go on after some time. There is no running, no secure load balancer, nothing. Keep that everything is clean, guys. Remember, this instance is not running and elastic IP is not running. So now I am winding this video. Please go and watch and do the practical, and just comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys.